what if I say every meeting made your company smarter? Because right now that's not what's happening. Every day sales team loses deals, not because because the product is bad, or because not because they have bad salesmen. It's about it's because losing a context. So what will happen is typically sales representative before every meeting they spend around 30 to 45 minutes researching about the company, people attending recent news, competitors, and previous conversation. So that's how, and after that there'll be a lot of things like CRM updates, follow-up emails, action, all these things. So that's where the context, like because it's so much manual. So there's a record that it says that despite companies spending billions on sales technology, 87% of the enterprises revenue organizations still uh, miss their revenue target in 2025. So what if the meeting made the company smarter instead of creating more work? That's how, yeah, Align AI was born. So this is Align AI, not a no. It's not a note-taking app, not a meeting recorder. So Align AI researches customers before meeting, assists sales team during conversation, allow automates follow-up afterwards, and most importantly, build memory system for the entire organization. So some of the features are before the meeting, like a salesperson have to go through all the data and the history of the clients, like the potential clients, so that that the rate of closing the deal will be more. So rather than spending 40 to 50 minutes or more, like many hours, like searching about the company, rather than that, what can be done in Align AI is just with one click you can get the data of whole data of the company, so that you will get to know what kind of competitors are there of the company, and what is the recent news about the company, all these things. This is one part which will help closing the deals. Like it will increase the success rate from 50, let's say 50% to 80 to 90%. So that's how it is. So after that we have scheduling part 2, where the scheduling will be done. And in the past meeting, what will happen is the recorded video as well as the transcription will be here. So with that, what we can do is we can set up the follow-up date, follow-up email, and all these things. And we can store their client memory in our database, so that it doesn't get miss ever again. So this is one of the feature, and the last feature which I would like to say about is the templates. So what will happen is here, it will